Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout for the scrap room. Apparently I have this one on super fast forward. I think it's 4 times instead of just double time, so it's a little bit faster, but we are working on the freaky fast formula, so that seems about fitting, and also playing with Pebbles Sunny Blooms collection from the scrap room flavors of the month kit. If you want to see the breakdown of the kit, stay tuned, it will be at the end. So I'm sorry if you want to know the names of papers while I'm playing right now, you don't get them. Right, at first I really wanted to do the whole have pattern paper and then a chunk of white cardstock. I've been seeing a few of those and they kind of inspired me, but after looking at the cuts I decided no, I don't want to do that, and I really didn't need to tell you that, but that's what was going through my mind. So I have this adorable photo of my niece holding their carrot harvest from the fall. So yes, this is a very spring collection, but I thought it was perfect to go with this photo, since she's holding all these carrots, and it's slightly garden themed, and they have the cute little, the bunny and the little garden markers that say carrots and peas and stuff, so I had to. So we're doing freaky fast forming, like I said, and we've got some cuts. So I've got the beautiful, those big flowers that look daisies. That is my 11 by 11. We're putting that on white cardstock. I did cut that too. And then we're cutting a 12 by quarter is going to be the floral strip. A floral strip from, is that the B side of the, or is it the, no, and then the checkered paper. I think those are A and B together, I think. I can't remember now. And then the a 7.5 by 3/4, which is a rainbow stripe. Right now that corally red paper is my 9 by 8.5, and I love that paper. I loved all of these papers, but I did use the offcut of me gutting. Did I? Is that what? Did I set that aside already? I don't remember. But the stripe is 7.5 by 3/4. And then I have a 12 by 1 we need to do, which is going to be the pink checker paper. So I kind of had an idea of how I wanted to arrange this right away when I have these long strips. And I kind of off-centered it, the big 9 by 8.5. And I'm just trying to figure out, what did I write? It looks like it says crazy, but I don't think that is what it's supposed to say. I don't know. I wrote myself notes when I'm sitting there looking at the paper. Sometimes I will like write out what I am doing, what papers I'm going to cut into what, and I wrote myself notes and I can't read it, so now I'm confused. So I should probably just pay attention to what I'm doing for you guys. But it's pretty self-explanatory. It's nothing crazy. Obviously I took my 11 by 11, put it on white cardstock, and then I took my 9 by 8.5 and I put it a little to the right, and then I did my 12-inch strips on the bottom. I will add, if I have not added already, a sticker strip to that as well, to bring some more of that corally pink orangey color to the front, because I really like that. And then I put the rainbow stripe down the side. So now I'm figuring out where I want to make some clusters. I'm thinking left, kind of wrapping around the bottom of the photo, but it's going to look like left and right of the bottom, upper right, and then I'm starting one in the upper left of the corally thing, and I want to do kind of a title that pops there on the left in that white space. So I have some puffy alphas from Citrus Twist, and they were a really good script font and everything, but they're just not popping like I want to. So now in my brain I'm thinking, okay, I need white, and then I want a label for the upper right. And those kinds of things just weren't on the sticker sheet, which is fine. I love the sticker sheet. It has so many good things on it. So I do use quite a bit of the things that are on the sticker sheet that you get. But I finally found a label, and it happened to be a Studio Calico label. And it says, "More of this, please." And so I just tucked it up there. And so that'll be a cluster. And I will stamp the date at the end. And then now I found these old, are they pink paisley? Yes, pink paisley alphas. And I thought I was going to do, I was like, oh, I could do black. But there isn't actually a lot of black in this layout. So I talk about on other layouts, and I've said this too, is like sometimes having black as an anchor is a really good thing. But my photo is kind of framed in black, and it's the only thing that is, and it kind of makes your eye just go to the photo. And so having the black in my title, it just didn't look right. And I think that's why, because the only darkness on this whole page is the photo. So to have like a random dark splotch of word over on the left just didn't work. So I dug even more. I did find the chipboard Sunshine. It's an old Vicky Boutin thing. I have like 5 things left on this chipboard sheet, and I'm like, oh, I gotta leave this out because I need to use these things up. So it's like I use that Sunshine, and then so I'll use the word in from that pink paisley puffy alphas. But then I do go and dig in my stash, and I'm gonna find the word smile, and it's an American Crafts Puffy's titles. It went with the collection, I believe, but I don't remember which one. And do smile. So I have smile and sunshine. It doesn't make sense? Kind of. But it works, and I like the way it pops, and it fits there perfectly. So I'll just keep adding some more stickers and creating those little clusters. I love the little shovel and a garden fork, so I'm glad I was able to incorporate those, plus the bunny. I do use a couple of the puffy hearts that were on that Citrus Twist alpha sheet, so I do have those sprinkled around a few places. I'm gonna grab the little bunny, or the little bee, the couple ladybugs, and then I'll finish her off with some white Nouveau drops around in my clustered areas. But I did grab one little banner that says "Say Cheese to" this, almost in the exact same color as that orangey corally paper. That I can think of what it's called. That was from, I just was looking at it. L Studio. Yikes. Okay. So here's some close-ups, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Facebook group and all that jazz, and the website. Get yourself the kit. We'll see you next time. Bye. Hello everybody, this is the walkthrough of what comes in this portion of Flavors of the Month kit you just saw me creating with. This is Pebbles Sunny Blooms Gorgeous Collection. Everyone's going to get 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, and some embellishments. So the pieces of pattern paper, or the sheets of pattern paper we're going to get, are these. So this is a rainbow, and you can see why it's called that. Beautiful, cute little clouds, some tiny little rainbows, and some bigger rainbows. On the back is this beautiful confettied, I'd say, dot paper, and then I like this full border. That's fun. That would be really fun to fussy cut so you have a scallop. Might be doing that. And then we have, this one is called Sunny Blooms, the name of the collection. So there are some beautiful bright yellow sunny flowers, and then this fun checker, and then the full border of the sunflowers on there. And then this one's called Stripes. And it's beautiful stripes. And what I like about them, at first I was like, are my eyes playing tricks on me? No, they're not straight. They kind of wave. And then there is this gorgeous, at least I think so. I have a migraine, so it's possible that I'm just seeing that and not you guys, but I'm pretty sure they are not straight. And then this beautiful green floral. And then everyone's gonna get 2 pieces of, or 2 sheets, I should say, of white cardstock. Whoop, I got 3. And then some embellishments. Now the embellishments are going to vary for everyone, but you're gonna get half of the sticker sheet. So if you remember, most of these collections come with a sticker sheet that folds, and so it folds out to be 12 by 12. So you're gonna get half of that. So I got this half, which has some like a washi-esque type strips, which is awesome. And then these cute fun things, and I already know what photo I'm going to document. So obviously I'm recording this before I create the photo, or create the layout, even though you just saw me create the layout, but I already have in mind what I'm going to document with this. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed, and go check out the kit for yourself and the Facebook group. Thanks. Bye.